The OXCEB82C3 error indicates a troubleshooting-related issue. This error can be caused by several factors, including incorrect connection of cables, corrupted printer driver software, and network problems. To fix the error, resetting the printer is a potential solution. This involves removing the power cable from the printer's rear while it is still powered on, waiting a few seconds until the printer is quiet, and then removing the ink cartridges to clean them. The power cable should then be disconnected from the socket, and the printer should be connected directly to a wall socket. After plugging the power cable back into the printer and switching it on, the printer will warm up and its lights will flash. Once the printer has made no sounds, the ink cartridges can be replaced and the access door closed. Alternatively, updating the printer driver firmware can resolve the issue, which can be done through the HP Smart app, directly from the printer, or by downloading the driver firmware from the website. For network-related errors, checking the printer's status through the control panel and selecting the Printer Online icon can help resolve the issue.